Oh, love.
Hey.
Did you go upstairs, Daddy? No.
Yeah, I have to do it.
Is the lady there?
No.
They're done cleaning?
No.
Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning. Sounds like my hot fly. This one. You always say stay here. Yeah. We'll bring your sister.
Bring us some towels. Bring us some towels. We don't go.
We will walk. Be careful with the water, huh? Because the current is. Haley! Hey! Haley! Come over here. Look, the wave is so bad. You see the wave is so bad? See it?
Okay, let's just...
Now we will walk all the way there, baby. Baby, we need to walk, me and your daddy. Yeah.
Me and my brother are gonna
No, Kuya will walk with us, so we will bury your sign later. Now let's go. We will walk first, and then yeah, we'll watch this one. Nobody, so let's go. It's just yeah, but I don't know that it will fly everywhere. So we'll just leave our shoes too. This one's okay. Yeah, right here.
Haley!
Baby love,
Haley!
come here, son. Thank you for that. Right here. You think the water will not come over here?
No, honey, water ain't gonna come way up there.
Okay.
Where are we going?
Why? Yeah, I will. He is walking with us. It's okay. I think it should be down there. Because that will fly everywhere. So it should be. Yeah. Yeah, just hide it with the sun. No, it will fly, Daddy. You see the wind. Yeah, put the shoes. Yeah. Put your hat too.
I want to go to the ocean.
Put it down, Daddy. Because it's. We'll just shake this one later. That's fine now.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Broken shell. Come here, baby. Look, baby. Now let's go.
We don't have time to play.
We have more time to play until today and tomorrow and the next day. Hello. Come here, Sabi. I will fix your. Come here. Come here, Sa. Fix your bathing suit. Okay.
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay. You better? What are you doing? Just digging. Now let's go. Let's go now. Takes so long for you to walk. Baby. Oh. I told you. The current is so bad. Here, okay. Looks so cool. Why?
Mommy's gonna say, oh, man.
Daddy, I'm proud that you're my husband. You feel cold, Kuya? Let's go, baby. Hey.
Look at this.
You feel cold? You need this? You need this? You can. Look at her. No, we need to walk. We will play later. That's why I keep walking. Yeah. Hey, don't get so near there. You know that water can grab you right away. Oh, look at your footprints. Look at your footprints. You got that footprints in the sand. You see? Footprints in the sand. Right there. Make a footprint. Oh.
I'm done.
Not yet.
I want to stop.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
No, we're going that way.
No, I want to go here.
No, we're going to walk.
No, here. Here.
Haley. Oh, look at the footprints. Oh, she's making footprints too. Hey, what's that, baby? Why are you running? No, it's not that. Ooh.
Wow, we're gonna make another hole later on.
Another what? Oh, later, yeah. Yeah,
What we missed out.
yeah.
Nothing close.
Yeah.
Don't everybody split out.
Ocean, we're here. Baby, we're here. Woo! Baby, don't get so near. Move right here. Not yet. We're going to that bridge. She said. Yeah. We will see what's in there. I said somebody tried to catch fish. Somebody tried to catch fish.
Yeah, they got those rods.
Really?
Yeah, they're out. Yeah.
Really?
They just walked through it.
Yeah. Maybe they did not put the line first. There is? Woo. Maybe we can see fish.
Yeah, go this way.
No. How did it go far? Did you catch some? No. Not yet.
He's fishing and ripping bugs over. Around that way.
Yeah, baby, no. Come here. Go to your brother's back. Go to your brother's back. Yeah, you all just stay there. You all just stay here. Watch your sister.
I'll stay with you.
Kaki, let's go, Israel. Let's go.
Come on, Israel.
Let's go, Kuya Israel. Give this to Daddy. Give this to Daddy.
Dad.
Go there, baby, with Daddy. I'm just wondering why. We're getting near to this.
Mom, I'm getting jellyfish back to those.
Let's see what's in here.
Now watch this guy.
Oh, we're getting near to them. You can see something in there. Fish. Maybe that's why they come over here.
I wanna make it a bigger boat.
I don't need. Now let's go. You come here na. So there is really a jellyfish in here. There's really a jellyfish. It's like the one that I eat in the Asian store. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it looks like. We will eat somewhere tomorrow. We'll eat all our food. Yeah.
Oh, we're staying here tomorrow. Hey, Goya, we're staying here tomorrow.
Yeah. Kuya said it's fine. Yeah. Yes. What, Kuya?
Oh, just go around. They haven't reeled it yet.
Oh. Footprints in the sand. Kuya.
Oh,
Footprints. Ooh, wait. You know I'm.
that was a llama.
I'm holding your phone? Or you want me to spank you while we are doing this? Daddy said it takes 1 hour for us to reach there. It's not true. Because we're almost there. And it's only 21 minutes. Yeah, it's only 21 minutes. So we go there and that one there. Can this really catch fish with this? The water is coming. They still there? Yeah. Whoa! That's so far. Yeah, so big. Yeah. Seems like Kuya is trying to catch the dulo, tabdulo. Let's see. No, you don't want to fly. Really don't fly. They don't fly. Yeah. They did not even fly. There's a lot of steps here. imagine how do they catch fish here? Mm. Did you walk all the way in that here?
Wait, you mean market here?
Yeah, we're not allowed.
I haven't gone up there.
We'll try. Wow, this is really a lot. This is what you did every day? It's so hard. You do? Oh, go to that way then. You wanna play? Kuya, you wanna go there? You wanna walk over there? Let's go. Warning? I think the warning, no?
I'm not gonna go up there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
No, we'll go back now.
Go over there. Look at the pillar. Look at the pillar. Come on.
Pillow.
Pillar.
Pillar.
See that?
Ah, post or pillar. There are a lot of seashells, maybe. Yeah, oh, you're right.
That kind of looks weird.
Yeah, it really is weird. Like, you know, when you... I see people who have like that. You know, I think they... Oh, look, it opened. It opened. Look, it opened. Ay, oh my goodness. It opened, kuya. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh my, it looks so weird. I will turn this.